Okay, so the next one you were having trouble with was the payment function. So if I come up here, and here it is, create a formula using the payment function. And I need to make sure that I've got the right questions. In H6, so I'm in H6, use the payment function using the interest rate and loan period values in cell B6 to F6. So I need to make sure that I stay on row 6. Okay? I always have a little bit of trouble with the formulas myself and putting the right things in the right place. So I'm going to come up here to the f of x button, I call it, or the insert function. I'm going to look for payment. There it is. Okay, so I'm trying to find the monthly loan payment. So my rate, and we do need to make sure we've got a negative sign. So my rate is going to be negative. Ah, that's the problem. Got it. Cancel. All right, so when I do it this way, I'm not sure that it comes up with things in the right place. So I need to try, do negative, and then insert function, payment. And I need to move this to the side because when you were doing this, you had it right over your data so you couldn't find it. I need to make sure this has got the negative sign in front of payment. Okay. And I need to have loan payment using the interest rate. So the rate, here's the monthly rate. I'm not sure what you were doing because I couldn't see what cells you used. And then the number of periods. Again, I want the monthly number of periods. And then I need the loan value.